The University of Rochester Medical Center is testing new vaccines to protect against the South African variant. This study began about a month ago and includes hundreds of local participants. Kayla Green tells us why they say this is so important.
University of Rochester Medical Center professor Dr. Edward Walsh says the COVID-19 variants are concerning. He says about 4 weeks ago, URMC gave a new vaccine aimed to protect against the South African strain as a booster dose to vaccinated people from their previous trials. They also gave it to some people as their first vaccine.
The hope would be, of course, that it's going to act a lot like the current vaccine, which does seem to have pretty good protection against most of the mutations that have occurred.
He says getting everyone vaccinated is very important in decreasing the ability of variants to spread and emerge. He says half of the U.S. population is still unprotected from the virus.
They are perfect breeding ground for a strain like the South African or the strain that's circulating in India to come in and spread very rapidly. If we could immunize everyone, we would markedly reduce that opportunity. And then this also reduces the emergence of new strains.
He says it's inevitable for new strains to emerge until everyone is vaccinated. He says the UK strain, which vaccinated people are well protected against, is making up the vast majority of people being hospitalized locally.
Every one of the people that we've admitted to the hospital over the last several weeks has not been immunized. That is, we have not seen anyone admitted with the UK strain that's been immunized.
Dr. Walsh says they don't have any early data yet, but they will have more information in the next month or so. In Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, thank you, Kayla. URMC is also working on a study on mixing and matching different vaccines. To sign up to be part of it, you can call this number, 273-3990.